idea. I have no plans for today. Actually, I do, which is even worse. I have a plan of what to watch, but it's in there, it's in the phone. Dance practices. I have S-class dance practice, studio Choom dance S-class, which I'm going to hide. S-class suit version. And I also saved Stray Kids The Sound Relay Dance because it's the only one I could find. It fits the album and I didn't watch it. So, let's go with the S-Class dance practice first. The not suit one. The Sweatpants version. And one shorts. I will never not point it out. I'm sorry, but didn't he do that already, Leno? Like lose his head during the dance and then catch it? Let's just watch from the beginning. I'm already annoying. Didn't see what they were doing last time. Also, I watched one the first comeback stage on Patreon, and I don't remember everything. Like when it comes to events, in Korea. I love this. Also this now, the way, oh my god, everyone but Leno, the way he came in and then it switches to another verse, another, I can't speak English today, it just connects well. Install what? Please leave me alone. This was so funny. Where did I see that? Not on TikTok, on Twitter, on YouTube. That part of the choreo, so cute. What? Champion. Oh my god. I saw Chan focus TikTok on TikTok. was I saying? Oh, Sungmin. It was a chat. If I find it, I think I saved it to send to someone. I'm gonna put it up. But Chan, and we're supposed to look at Chan, but Sungmin in the back. Like his face. I feel like watching it again, but I said before, the way I watch dance practices is pausing and going back a million times. So let's just go to the suit version. Or no, maybe Studio Choom. Yeah, let's see Studio Choom. Why is it suddenly raining? I'm just gonna comment on outfits in this way. Here. Oh my god.
Luxurious like coming as class. Best of the best on first class. I'm up above the world, so high I'll be the shiny day and night. They wonder how my spotlight is so bright. Counting stars if you're at better, 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 I know that's me. At better, 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 in my work. We got bunch up, we got bunch up, we got bunch up, get close in the truth.
I was just thinking, why did we see a lot of lion? Oh my god. His makeup too, everyone's makeup. Oh my god, how do they do that? Like, with makeup, I can never do that. The way they do their eyes, like it makes them look dangerous. How do I do that? Look! Let's go! Is he stepping?
Luxurious like coming as class. Best of the best on first class. I'm up above the world, so high I'll be the shining day and night. They wonder how my spotlight is so bright. Counting stars if you're that's me.
The gloves are killing me always.
We got bunch up, we got bunch up, we got bunch up. Get class in the team. We got bunch up. 빛이 번져 또 빛나는 star. I feel like the brightest star. 빛이 쏟아지는 밤. 하늘을 바라보면 내 모습 수놓아져 있어. Yeah, yeah. 떨어지지 않고 한 자리에서 걷던 I can stay hey yeah. 빛날 광의 사람은 그게 바로 우리 속의 말. We're special, yeah.
I'm excited in the music video too. It's amazing.
관중들은 따로 필요 없지 축제. 절대로 필요 없어 꼭지 불때. Limited edition 이런 것 특별해져. 유명하면 분명하게 바꾸고 거듭돼서 you. 눈에 띄는 tension. 몰입하는 객소. 그 글자 하나 간데 여기 모든 것을 밝혀. Counting stars.
Footwork there, wait. I need another pair of eyes. I was about to say, luckily this doesn't have the ending fairies, but never mind. I love his hair so much. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Let them breathe now, please. Let them see. I actually, like, I have a love-hate relationship with ending fairies because good for my eyes, but also can they just sit down, please? Like that. Let's go to shoot version now, but before that, let's see if my cat is getting rained on the terrace. Also, I had a bunny in front of my door this morning. I almost had a oh my god, heart attack because that never happened before. It just jumped out of the flowers, this big, like a rabbit, a brown rabbit, brown, so it wasn't Reno or Chang'e. No. That's not a suit version. That's an inappropriate version. A glove. Why are you? Did he miss the meeting? Did he not understand did he? I'm not commenting on anyone's looks on this one. No, I was silent enough. For long enough. Not giving Changbin a jacket. Who did that? Whose idea was? I want to talk to the stylist. I want to send the medical bills to the stylist. I want to pause again. Chan, minus the glove, Seungmin and Felix are the only ones who took this seriously. The rest of you... Does Han have guns in there? I'm not looking at the choreo at all. In the boots. No, Chan does not pass Chan doesn't fit either to the seriousness of the suit. Because he has boots and he has a glove. I need to shut up. Lino! This hair color. No, I need to watch this 8 times. Hyunjin. No comment on Changmin. Was this just a thunder? What is happening? I love Chan's hair. No. Seungmin is out too. He has glasses. Not allowed. Ian has glasses. I didn't think so. Okay, so Felix is the other one. What am I doing? I'm really sorry, but I need to close all the windows because very rude. 현실. Oh my god, it's not the end. I needed subs for this. No. Oh no. Did I say baby? Can't you? Wait. Okay, he said it. Why am I reading it? What is that? Rice?
당연하지.
I don't know what he said. Oh my god. Very nice, Shangman.
이제는 물러내고 싶었다.
He looked so serious.
봄 특졌다.
Is that a Samsung phone? Are they officially what is that called? Not promoting. Like, are they doing the Samsung thing officially yet or not? There wasn't any ads, right? Did I watch this? I did. I want to watch this again because I was interrupting it and I don't remember anything. I was late. These are some drawable looks. This is Stray Kids from Freeze. Especially I am. Did he do a performance dressed like this? I hope he did. think actually I am adding Felix to the rude team because just because. I just keep hearing sounds. I'm sorry. No, I need to jump in there. The sound. Rest basically the same. Chamber. Neither that I'm complaining. I just saved some performances to rush to, or one I think. I remember that. It was on TikTok. And this too. And this. Nice. I love what he's wearing. It reminds me of one gaming outfit. I don't know why. It's not even similar. Oh. What is Lena doing, maniac? Look at that. Interesting. Okay, we did it. This is it from the dance practices, right? I think it is. So far, at least. I don't know if something came out today. Thank you for watching with me. My jaw hurts. Have a nice day, very nice. Bye.